but nothing makes me fall. I don't wait for light to come, I was born to conquer all. This world is hard, I know it's weight, I understand the pressure's tone. I step straight into the battle with steady pulse and full control. I'm fragile yet understand it well. Even fragile glass cuts as well. If you push me, I don't break, I leave my mark along the trail. I'm on the position. I'm on, firm in my decisions. When I rise, I don't know how to fall. I cross the storm with wings of steel. I am a one, and I crash your day again. Don't hide my skin or what I feel. Everything in me makes sense. My emotions don't restrain me. They're my drive, my consequence. I adapt, I calculate, I move. I know the price of getting there. Pressure doesn't break my will, it trains me how to dominate. I'm fragile, yes, like sharpened glass. I break through limits as I pass. Touch me wrong and you will learn. I don't shatter, I attack. I am a woman, that's the will to resist. I'm a woman, clear when I choose. Even if the ground burns under me, I rise steady with wings of steel. I am a one, and I crash your day again. I don't need external armor, I forged myself along the way. My strength lives inside my mind, in my instinct. When I act, I'm a woman, awake and real. I will not hesitate. This world is tough, so am I. I don't just resist, I learn to fly with wings of steel. I crash your day once more. I'm fragile, that's where the edge is. I'm sensitive, that's where the power lives. I don't survive, I ride with wings of steel.